In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reddit search operators to find content quickly. Reddit is packed with useful discussions, guides, and recommendations, but if you just scroll endlessly, it can be really hard to find exactly what you're looking for. Learning how to use the search bar properly and how to think about your search terms will help you get to the right posts much faster. First, open Reddit in your browser or in the app, and look for the search bar at the top of the screen. It's usually labeled with a magnifying glass icon and a hint text like Search Reddit. Go ahead and click or tap on that search box to activate it. Once you select it, your keyboard will appear and you're ready to type. Now think about what you actually want to find. The more clearly you can describe it, the better your search results will be. Instead of typing just one vague word, try a short phrase that includes a key topic and a bit of context. For example, if you're looking for laptop recommendations, type something like best laptop for students. If you want help with a specific game, you might type beginner tips for game name. As you type, Reddit may show you suggested searches, communities, or posts related to what you're entering. These suggestions can be a great shortcut. If one of them already matches what you want, you can simply select it instead of finishing your full search. When you're done typing your search phrase, press enter or tap the search button on your keyboard. Reddit will now display a results page. From here, you can refine what you're seeing. At the top, you'll usually find filters that let you switch between posts, communities, people, and comments, or adjust the time frame, like showing results from the past day, week, or year. Using these filters after you've typed your search makes your results much more relevant. A useful tip is to slightly adjust your wording if the first results aren't helpful. Change one or two words, or add a specific detail like the platform, location, or version you're interested in. Small tweaks to what you type in the search box can dramatically improve what you find. So remember, click on the search bar, carefully type what you want to search for, and then refine your results with filters and better wording. With just these simple actions, you'll be able to navigate Reddit much more efficiently and get to the content you need in a fraction of the time.